Welcome to the Handtmann Maschinenfabrik, the headquarters of the filling and portioning division within the Handtmann group of companies. My name is Harald Suchanka and I am MD at the Maschinenfabrik, mainly responsible for our global sales and marketing activities. With this short clip, we would like to introduce our new communication channels in the social media to you. We have plenty of interesting topics about the Handtmann world in store for you. We will give you exclusive insights, report about current developments as well as new applications, global trends and important market information. Our food experts will share their knowledge and technical details, aiming to keep you updated on how to best use Handtmann equipment. Please follow me now in our customer forum, where we give you the opportunity to develop and test innovative food solutions and benefit from the teamwork with our food processing experts. Welcome. Stay informed and updated by subscribe to our company profiles. We warmly invite you to engage in a lively dialogue with us.